How to fix Spectrum router blinking blue. First of all, when your Spectrum router is blinking blue, it means it's trying to connect to the internet but hasn't established a connection yet. Start by checking if there's an internet outage in your area. You can visit the Spectrum support page and see if your service is temporarily down. After that, inspect all the cable connections between your router, modem, and the wall. Make sure every cord is firmly plugged in and not damaged. If you notice any loose or frayed cables, replace them with new ones. Next, disconnect some devices from your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes too many connected devices can overload the router and cause connection issues. Then, restart your router. Simply unplug it from the power source for about 1 to 2 minutes and plug it back in. Wait a few minutes for the router to reconnect to the internet. If it still keeps blinking blue, restart both your modem and router together. Unplug them, wait around 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. When its lights turn solid, reconnect your router and wait for a couple of minutes. And finally, if nothing seems to work, contact Spectrum customer support. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting or even replace your router if needed. So this is how to fix Spectrum router blinking blue. Like and subscribe if this helped.